Hey, stupid. Welcome back to another episode. This weekend, we are road tripping it down to Oregon for a little vacation. Going to Portland and Bend, Oregon. Just Avery and I. We're gonna go horseback riding, surfing, paddleboarding, eat a lot, hiking, and just have a good time, hang out. So here we go. We're gonna grab coffee and be on our way. So I'll cue the music now. What time is it?
I think it's donut time.
Donut time! Yeah!
I feel like dancing, so turn it up. You know I can't get enough. Turn it up, and now we about to light it up. This place is jumping hell. We about to bring it down. Feel the rush, feel the rush. Hey, hey, let's turn it up. Let's turn it up.
Made it to the hotel.
I let the wheels spin, tipping my hand while I'm pushing in. I took a joyride, wind in my head, gonna own the night. My heart is racing, gonna break this cage, take the stage. The time is now, and I'm wide awake in the golden age. I feel like dancing. This music moves my soul. No hesitation.
Crunchitize me, Captain.
Crunchitize me, Captain.
Yeah?
That was stupid.
We're out going for a walk. How hot is it?
Too hot.
It's like 95 degrees. We're gonna explore the Portland waterfront.
This place is jumping hell. We about to bring it down. Feel the rush, feel the rush. Hey, hey, let's turn it up.
We got too hot. So we got smoothies.
You're just such a natural in front of the camera.
Yeah, you look like it. Now we're going back to the hotel to relax. I got a brain freeze. This is the face that I get at home every day. Let's do it again. Even on vacation, I gotta watch my Red Sox. Yeah. He's gonna hit a bomb right here, guaranteed. Never mind. F me. Oh, we're calling it a day. Just gonna chill and relax for a bit. We'll see you in the morning when we head over to Bend, Oregon. See you tomorrow, bright and early. Good morning. Another day on our Oregon road trip. 9 o'clock and it's 75 out already. We are gonna go get some coffee and breakfast and then hit the road to Bend. Just waiting for Avery to put on her makeup. Every day, I'm always waiting, ready to go out the door. Put on the makeup. Just checked out of the hotel in Portland. Now where to?
Sam!
What?
Thought you were getting in and out.
Oh. Yeah, we're gonna get in and out.
It's been a while, but I'm back on top. To the world is mine. I don't plan to stop. It's time to let the curtain rise. We're gonna shake the room.
And now we are headed to Bend. Uber driver Ave. We have encountered a wildfire. Wow.
Are you ready? Are you ready for the knockdown, drag out, stand up, get loud? This is how we get down. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, get on your feet, get on out the door, take it to the streets.
Made it. Eagle Crest Resort. Not bad. We're gonna unpack, chill out for a bit, and then start exploring, grab some food, and figure out what we want to do the rest of the time.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for the knockdown, drag out, stand up, get loud? This is how we get down.
Walking in downtown Bend. Well, that's a wrap on day 2. We had a lot of fun first day in Bend. Just gonna take it easy, drink some wine, and then we're gonna wake up and do some fun stuff tomorrow. We're going horseback riding, swimming, miniature golf, and whatever else happens. So we'll see you in the morning. Oh boy, here we go. All right, just hop on.
Yeah, you got it.